We'll guide you through how to make dirt blocks into grass and make grass grow. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So there are two different ways I'll be covering in this video. But ultimately, grass grows on dirt from other grass, so grass needs to be next to it in order for it to grow. So for the first method, I found that let's say I wanted to go and have grass on this center point, you need to go and connect it to existing grass. So you can go and make a trail or a bridge to existing grass like so. Now I found the wider the bridge is, the faster it grows. This area and to this point has grown much faster than that point to that point. So yeah, and then once it's finished growing, you can then just go and break it and you can have your grass left there. Now I know that isn't that often spread, so you don't need that much and you can let it spread, or you can just go and break enough grass blocks for what you need. And that's it. I hope you guys found this useful.